Okay, so I decided, hey, uh, is it in? Did I put it in the other? No, I put it in the other pocket, didn't I? Yeah, I did. I had one thing to this, to this one. It's one that I was like, well, I'm gonna use it anyway, so why not? I added. Where is? Oh God, where'd it go? Which pocket is it for here? Yeah. I decided to add the Mark Merriweather signature card, which is a foraging card, which would be a really good thing for a post-apocalypse. I personally think, you know, because I'm gonna get this out real quick. I'm probably gonna buy more of these next month anyway, because I like these. These are nice. These are foraging cards. So yeah, there are tweezers, there are berry harvester, leaf scrapers, ruler saw. That's weird. A scraper, a tickle mover, a blade, a mushroom knife, etc. On here. Wait, is this? Wow, actually, I like. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I got this in the December um uh Good Workshop, and honestly, as a forger, as a beginning forger, this is nicest to have. It's a nice little thingy. Let me see if I can actually get this off. Or get that shut. Wow. Anyway, uh, having a tickle mover is a great thing because if you're foraging, you're gonna forage in the woods, right? Yeah. This is an underrated card in my opinion. Cause I think I do. Wait. What? Oh, it's in my pocket. No. I keep forgetting I put these in my pocket. Say like something like this, gear for adventure, crane stuff, and all that. But once you're bushcrafting, once you're bushcrafting, you'll get hungry, so you're gonna go forage for food. You're gonna need something like this. I recommend you get these. These are good. These are pretty cool. Ones. I don't know. It says saw, but mushroom knife. What? Oh, that is the mushroom knife. I'm like, mushroom knife. What? I got confused. Oh, this is what it says it has on it. Great, we'll have to get this open again. If you can read that, pause. It should say what it has. Uh, Honestly, I'm gonna use this. This is pretty nice. It's you know what? Oh yeah, blade. Yeah, no. Okay, tweezers. Oh, you squeeze it like that. Berry harvester, leaf stripper. Oh, okay, yeah. I think that's the leaf stripper, and all that is the berry harvester. That's pretty cool. I think Merryweather isn't his actual name. I think. I believe Merryweather isn't his last name at all. But yeah. So yeah, add this to the kit, because why not? I may need this in a post-apocalypse situation. Anyway, peace.